Hi everybody, it's Fusion Chris again, and in this part we want to finish our American football playing robot. In the last part we finished our modeling part of the new head. At first we need to create a component out of our bodies. To do so, go over to the left into your browser. Search for the folder Bodies. Open it, choose the first body which belongs to your head. Right click, create components from bodies. As you can see, a new component, in my case component 22, was created. Now select it once, click again with the left mouse button and name it head 2. Now there are some bodies left, so go over to your folder Bodies, choose the rest of the bodies of your head and just drag it into your new component folder head 2. As you can see, you have moved your bodies from the main body part to your component. Now we can adjust the head onto the torso. To do so, right click on your new component, select Move Copy, and now you can easily move it around by pulling on the arrows. At first we want to adjust the height, so select the arrow and pull it down up to the position you want. Turn your body to see if it fits. So this looks quite well. But now we want to turn the head a bit around. You can easily change the angle by pulling this blue point. Now we want to make him look more into the sky. So turn your model around. Choose the angle, choose the tool for the angle and turn it. When everything is fine for you, click OK. As you can see, we've turned around the head without using joints. But now one very important point is missing. We need a football. To upload the football, go over to the top left corner. Choose Show Data Panel. Click on Upload, select your file, choose the Fusion file Football and click OK. Click on Upload. When the upload is finished, just easily right click onto the file, insert into current design, and just like by the head before, you now can place it into your space by using the arrows or the planes or the angles. So we want to place it a bit in front of our robot, like he's catching the football. Turn it around a little bit, move a bit over to the side, change the angles. Just like this is fine for me. So I click OK and it's done. Now we can go over to the rendering section. So go over to the top left corner again, click on Model to change your workspace. Choose the render area, and as you can see, your commands in your toolbar have changed. Now we want to change the appearance of our new body and of course of the rest of the robot. So select Setup, choose Appearance, and now you can choose from a lot of designs and materials. In the upper space you can see all the materials that are currently used in your design. So let's pick the paint Enamel Glossy White. Place it onto the head. Of course we want to add some more details, so go to the top of this window and change Apply To from Bodies and Components up to Faces. Choose the folder Paint, choose Glossy and search for the Enamel Glossy Red. Drag it onto the ear. As you can see, the new appearance is just applied to one plane, but we want to have more planes. Now press and hold the control button on your keyboard and select the other faces of the ear on this side. Now just simply drag the glossy red color onto these faces. As you can see, now the left ear is completely in red. Now let's do the same for the other side and all other planes we want to apply it to. Press Ctrl, select your faces, now drag the color and you're ready to go. This works for all your bodies, your components and your faces in your design. So be creative. Now as you can see, I've added the red color onto several faces on my robot. Now let's apply an appearance onto the mouth protection. Let's see what we've got here. Paint metallic black would be fine. But at first we need to change from apply to faces back to apply to bodies and components. Now again, easily drag and drop the metallic black color onto the mouth protection part 1 and the second part, of course. Fine, but we are still missing the eyes and the number of our player. So close the window for the appearance.